Hello students, I am Surabhi Mahana from Mechanical Engineering Department introducing you Mechatronics subject of 5th semester. That is first chapter is Introduction to Mechatronics. Before studying about this subject, first we have to know what is mechatronics. Mechatronics is composed of two words, that is mechanical and electronics. From that we have discovered the new word, that is mechatronics. This word is coined by a senior Japanese engineer in 1969. Mechatronics is synergetic integration of mechanical engineering, electronics engineering, control engineering, and computer science. A mechatronic system is a computer-controlled mechanical system. All these things are making mechatronics. That is our control system, computer system, mechanical system, electronic system. Components of mechatronic system. The term mechatronic system, that is also known as smart device, is composed of microcontrollers which are embedded in the electromechanical device, creating much more flexibility and control possibilities in system design. The first element we will discuss about, that is actuators. Actuators produce motion or cause some action. The example of actuators are solenoids, voice cell, DC motors, stepper motor, servo motor, hydraulic, pneumatics, etc. Then sensor. Sensor detect the state of the system parameters, that is input and output. Example of sensors are switches, potentiometer, photoelectrics, digital encoder, strain gauge, thermocouple, accelerometer, etc. Our next component is input or output signal conditioning and interfacing. It provides connection between the control system circuit and the input and output devices. Examples are discrete circuit, amplifiers, filters, power transistor, etc. Then digital devices. Digital devices control the system. Example are logic circuit, microcontroller, SBC, PLC, etc. Then graphics display. Graphic display provide visual feedback to the user. Example are our LEDs, digital display, LCD, CRT, etc. This is a diagram showing the components of mechatronic system. First we can see mechanical system. Mechanical system composed of two things, that is our actuator and sensor. Then our input signal conditioning and interfacing, digital control architecture, output signal conditioning and interfacing, then graphical display. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of mechatronics? First we will consider about advantages. This will produce cost-effective and good quality product. High degree of flexibility to modify or redesign any product or process. This will also provide very good performance characteristic. Greater productivity in case of manufacturing organization is possible in mechatronic system. Greater extent of machine utilization. Then disadvantages are high initial cost. Then multidisciplinary engineering background required to design and implementation. Need of highly trained workers in mechatronic system. Complexity in identification and correction of problems in the system. Here some examples of mechatronic system are given. Home appliances. Nowadays people are using washing machine, which is a mechatronic system. In automotive engineering we are using different mechatronic system like anti-lock braking system or ABS. Nowadays, in most of the malls and big buildings, we can see elevator and escalators, which are also mechatronic system. These elevators and escalators composed of many sensors to detect the position and speed of the elevators. Our next example is mobile robots and manipulators are. Robots are widely used today in all spheres of life. Simply we can say robots are replacing human beings. Most of the cases where we cannot send human beings, we can send our robots like space. The next example is sorting and packaging system in production line. Mechatronic systems are effectively the basis for modern factory automation. In factory, for packaging of different product, for sorting of the product, we are using this mechatronic system. Then computer numerically control or CNC production machine. CNC machines are critical in modern manufacturing system. They allow the user to produce a product directly from a computer model of the piece. Then our next example is aeroplane and helicopters. These are complex example of mechatronic system that incorporate hundreds or even thousands of smaller sub-mechatronic systems. This is one example of mechatronic system in household application. Here we can see the robot is capable of doing different household work like home security system and robots, vacuum cleaners and robots, then washer, dryers. Not only in home but also in office environment, we are using mechatronic system for different work like automated filing system, multifunctional copying machine. Means this machine can perform copying, scanning, printing, fax, etc. Then food dispenser, multimedia presentation, meeting rooms, climate control system incorporate mechatronics technology. In air transportation, modern aircraft designed with advanced materials, structures, electronics and control benefit from the concurrent and integrated approach of mechatronics to improve design of flight simulators, navigation system, flight control system, landing gear mechanisms, traveler comfort aids, etc. Manufacturing and production engineering. Manufacturing and production engineering is another broad field that uses mechatronics technologies and systems. Factory robots for welding, spray painting, assembly, inspection, etc. are used. Automated guided vehicles, or also we can say AGVs. Modern computer numerical control or CNC machining center, rapid prototyping system, micro machining systems. Medical and healthcare is a most important part of our life. In medical and healthcare system, also using mechatronic system in different fields. For general patient care are being developed and used. Patient transit devices. In medical and healthcare application, robotic technologies, for example, surgeries. Nowadays, robots are also capable of doing surgeries. Then rehabilitation, drug dispensing, various diagnostic probes like scanner, beds, etc. are mechatronic system in healthcare system. Computer industries or IT industries is playing an important role in modern world. In this IT industry, we are using different mechatronic systems like hard disk drives, disk retrieval ejection device, cooling fan, etc. Nowadays, human beings want to reach every places, not only inside the world but also outside the world. We want to reach moon, we want to reach Mars, also we want to reach sun. For space application, we are using different mechatronic systems like mobile robots. Then space station robots. Space vehicles are fundamentally mechatronic system. Now every country wants to be powerful. If anyone wants to be powerful, it needs to be strong. To make any country strong, its military system should be very strong one. For that, we have to enrich our military system with updated technologies and appliances. That is only be possible by this mechatronic system. In military application, we are using bomb detection robots, surveillance vehicles, drone, etc. This completes our first chapter, Introduction to Mechatronic System. Thank you.